Hi, my name is Aleksia and I'm part of the Technique Peak series. Here I'm going to show you how to do a P to A mode on a hip to improve extension, commonly used for hip OA or for any total hip replacements. So you'll have the patient lying basically in the monotonous position. So, right, facing your ear, come on, scoot on over, and then bend this knee. So then if you come around to the other side, you can see, so my forearm is going to go under the patient's gluteal fold. So I'm going to lift up. Eric, go ahead and relax his leg. Good. So my forearm's right under. I'm going to apply a downward force here as I'm applying upward with my left arm. And then you can add a little bit of extra rotation. And ultimately, you should check with the patient, make sure they feel like sort of a similar deep stretch in front of their like hip flexor, anterior hip area. Hold it for a few seconds. Again, I'm applying an upward force with my left arm, so it doesn't really require too much effort.